Today I'm showing you how to make an irresistible recipe you can make with your eyes closed. Just kidding, but honestly, it's really easy. Garlic butter fusilli pasta and T-bone steak with lots of fresh cucumber. Absolutely delicious. Get your tricolor fusilli pasta, salt, butter, vegetable oil, T-bone steak, soy sauce, tomato, garlic, onions, cucumber, dried rosemary, mixed spices, dried crushed pepper, sausage, lemon, mint leaf, and sesame seeds. You're good to go. This recipe is easy and quick to make. So let's get yummy cooking. Get some water boiling in your pot. Add your salt and pasta. Allow it to cook. Then over to your T-bone. Season with salt and heat up your pan. Just drizzle a bit of vegetable oil and drop your T-bone. You can hear the sizzling. Add a bit of butter. Flip, and once you get that brown color, time to add all your spices, garlic, lots of sliced onions, a bit of soy sauce, and a bit of crushed dry pepper, fried sausages. Mix it all together because you want to get some gravy and delicious juice out of the steak. When it's done, you can just place the steak and all the goodness into a tray. Keep at a very low heat till it's time to serve. The pasta is done now. Please don't overcook your pasta. Drain out the water in another pot. Add just a drizzle of vegetable oil and butter, chopped garlic, and pour in the pasta. Mix together. Add some crushed pepper. I like pepper. More garlic, and it's all done. Chop your cucumber into bite size and some tomatoes, lemon. Time to serve. Bring out your T-bone steak from the oven. It's so good. The onions, garlic flavor, yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, let me serve now. Garnish with some more sesame seed and mint leaf. Just look at that. Looking really good from every angle. Have a glass filled with water, ice, sliced cucumber, lemon, and mint leaf. So refreshing and nourishing. A simple, balanced meal. Garlic butter, fusilli pasta, and T-bone steak. This is so delicious, quick and easy. Please recreate and enjoy. Keep watching for Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes. Thank you.